Hey guys! It's me again, Carla, and welcome sa aking channel. So for today's video is meron na naman po tayong panibagong video, and this video is all about paying your pay later on TikTok. So ngayon, punta tayo sa ating TikTok, and nung nakaraan, nag-shop ako using my pay later sa TikTok. And currently, dahil naka 1 month na siya, and yung billing period ni TikTok is every 15th of the month. So ngayon, today is July 15, kaya magpe-pay na tayo, guys. So ayan, just tap pay later. So, eto na yung aking TikTok pay later. Meron akong available credit na 332.27, and yung credit limit na binigay sa akin ni TikTok is 4,500. And yung aking total amount due today, July 15, is 2,250.14. So, let me check yung ating billing statement. So, ayan. For July, ito yung aking babayaran, and meron akong billing for August and September. So, since July lang naman yung ating billing, so July lang yung babayaran ko. And, ayan. So, meron na rin akong nabayad nung mga nakaraan. So, ayan na yung aking nabayad sa aking pay later. And this is very helpful, guys. Kung wala kang masyadong pera, so you can borrow muna and bayaran mo na lang later. Or you can shop muna and bayad later. So, to repay, tap repay. And tap continue. So, meron siyang minimum repayment amount na 20 pesos. For example, kulang yung pera mo, so you can pay kung ano lang yung kaya ng budget. And, eto yung aking GCash. So, GCash yung gagamitin nating mode of payment, guys. So, you can change it. Pwede yung bank, through bank. Kaya lang, ito, Union Bank, BDO, and BPI lang. And 7-Eleven, yan. So, I'm going to choose GCash kasi sa GCash lang tayo may pera, guys. And tap pay. So, magbabayad tayo dahil kailangan natin na ulit sa next shop. So, ayan. Sabi ni TikTok, repayment complete. So, you've cleared all outstanding statements. So, ayan. Meron na ulit tayong available credit na 2,424.47. So, hindi masyadong hassle si TikTok once na installed na lahat ng payment method mo. Or for example, dahil na-install ko na si GCash nung mga nakaraan, wala na, hassle-free na sa pagbabayad as long as nakalink yung account mo sa payment method na gagamitin mo. So, just tap repay lang and instantly, ayan na siya. So, paano nga ba malalaman na full na yung payment or wala ka ng utang? So, just tap pay later, guys. And para malaman mo kung magkano ulit yung pwede mong magasto. So, ayan, meron akong 2-4. I'm so happy. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. At sana meron kayong natutunan sa araw na to. So, see you guys on my next one. Bye! Peace!